Presenting the Sennheiser HD 450BT wireless Bluetooth over-the-ear headphone. It is available in white and black colors. The headphone comes with audio cable, USB-C charging cable, carry case, quick guide and safety guide. The product dimensions are 18 x 18 x 10 centimeters and it weighs 238 grams. Sennheiser HD 450BT has a minimalist design and is crafted from quality materials for durability. It has a folding design that makes it easy to store and carry. Sennheiser HD 450BT headphone delivers a superior sound experience with deep dynamic bass. The active noise cancellation and a closed back design ensures uninterrupted listening experience. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It also comes with wireless codec support, including AAC and AptX low latency to keep audio in sync with on-screen action when watching videos. HD 450BT delivers up to 30-hour battery life. It also comes with fast USB-C charging. The headphone comes with a mic for hands-free calling. It also comes with intuitive controls including virtual assistant button for Siri and Google Assistant.